Hey there, STEM buddies! In this video, we'll learn what a hurricane is and the steps we need to take if a hurricane happens around you. When the maximum sustained winds of a tropical storm reach 74 miles per hour, it's called a hurricane. Hurricane season begins on June 1st and ends on November 30th. STEM buddies, a hurricane can be an awesome and destructive force of nature. During the summer and fall months, the sun heats up vast areas of the ocean, which creates thunderstorms, forming a circular pattern of clouds called a tropical depression. When the winds are 39 miles per hour, it is a tropical storm. But remember, STEM buddies, if the winds are 74 miles per hour, a hurricane has been officially born. Inside the storm, bands of rain meet in the eye wall, the most violent part of a hurricane. And in the eye wall, winds of 300 miles an hour spiral upwards. The center of the hurricane is strangely calm and it's called the eye. Most hurricanes happen in the ocean, but when they hit land, that's when the destruction starts. And the damage can be catastrophic. Scientists have ways of tracking these storms, so you may get a warning before they reach. Here's what you can do to stay safe. First, make sure to board your windows. Definitely secure loose objects. Most importantly, you should make an emergency kit which has lots of important things such as first aid kits, water, and flashlights. Watch news and listen to weather updates. If advised to evacuate, leave immediately. If you're stuck inside, stay away from windows and glass doors. If you're out of power, your emergency kit will help you. And remember, never walk or drive on flooded roads. Hurricanes can be destructive, and the warning you might get may be very little. So remember to plan and prepare. Stay safe, everyone.